Alright, my dudes. Let's see if she even like turns on. Because I haven't turned it on since I got it. Here it goes. I hate that noise, so annoying. I gotta fix that e-brake. That e-brake is like one of my things that's bothering me right now. It's this e-brake. Let's see if it works. So if I pull it up, it says brakes engage. So I'm gonna let go of my foot. Car didn't move. And then top that, I have like the block in the back. Oh yeah, baby. Now that we got the sunlight just like dying on us, now we can see all the key marks, scratches. Even got some pussy paws coming on. This car already got some pussy on it because I got some cat around the neighborhood climbing up this car. So you guys haven't seen other videos, this is the BMW. I traded it for the 2006 Yamaha R6, my sports bike that I had. I know you guys seen it many times. So we did a straight trade. If you guys don't know, it was title to title, and this is it. And today's gonna be the day that I finally clean it with the vacuum, get all the dirt, all the whatever this guy has inside. So you guys can see, it is like really filthy and dirty and parts missing from the other video like I explained. So we're gonna do a vacuum of it. Yeah, we're missing a lot of parts. If you guys can see, it's just like plastic things. That's just small little things, so I'm not really big on that. We got the battery back here, but yeah, so we're just gonna do like a nice vacuum and clean. This is everything that was inside the car. Here's the old radio, and they did have it in the back. I just took out everything that I think that I can use or benefits me. These are a couple of parts we have right there. I only got 2 sets of mats, so no good, no good. But yeah, this is it, my boys. This is it, my dudes. Like I said, so we're just gonna do a nice clean. I don't want to open up this door because this is the one thing I hate about this car. That beeping noise. It's annoying already. So like I said, steering wheel. See, just like little things we need. Cup holders are not here. It's all dusty and dirty. All this dirt and everything. So we're gonna give like a nice clean sweep, a nice clean. I would like to take it to a detail guy who can like detail the car, clean the car real nice. I do have one guy, but since I'm tight on money, I cannot take it at the moment, so I'm gonna do it myself. I did clean out a lot of stuff inside the car, like a lot of papers, dirt. There's a lot of dirt, a lot of stickers. I got sticker by a lot, but we're gonna clean up really quick. The outside, I really don't know if I'm gonna clean out the outside. Probably just the inside for the meantime. Let's start the vacuum process up.
Next level. Next level.
Yep, I need a new vacuum or shock back, whatever you guys call these. No good, no good. Like I said, I'm not professional. I am not professional at what I do, but this is the best I can do. You guys can tell I'm not professional. So we have like a lot of stains. I know it's hard to see from the sunlight. Those are stains. I tried doing the best I can from cleaning up the BMW. It's like bad. So far we just did carpet, so I try to clean up the best I can to my knowledge. I dropped the seats down, so I still gotta clean up here. I gotta get some rags and get all this dust out and stuff like that. I didn't realize this was ripped, so this is no good as well. I try to clean the best I can. You see, like it's like already like stained, I guess, inside. I have the front seats up, so I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna make my way to the back, to the front. This is what I hate. It's so annoying. That beeping noise. So I try to clean the best I can, my dudes. If you guys can see, I couldn't get like the tight spots with the vacuum. I'm gonna clean all this as well. I'm gonna dust it off, try to make it look nice and shiny. I'm just showing you guys the carpet or the flooring that I did. So, yep. I just want to clean it up the inside. That's because the inside was like hideous. Let me close this door. Yeah, that's more better, more quiet. So the vacuum is done. Next step, I'm gonna get some rags. I'm gonna just clean it. All right, my dudes. Before I go to the cleaning, what I did was I just got a wet rag and I just cleaned all this that was all full of dirt. Cleaned all this. I just cleaned like a nice sweep to get most of the dirt off of the car. So I just did get the wet rag, clean just like the door panels, all this, just to make it look clean, you know, like try to take off the most dirt I can as possible. Even up here, you know, I still got that little dirt, but I just get like a nice what do you call it, like a nice rub, a nice clean really quick with the wet rag. The trunk, I didn't do anything to it, just doing on the doors. Even though it still has like dirt and stuff, but it looks way better. Like all this looks way better. This is getting hot from the sun. Like this leather is getting like damaged from the sun, I guess. These stuff like this, no good. I cleaned all this that was here from the dirt. So now, since I don't have like professional detailing stuff or all that good fancy big names and stuff, I just have some regular auto cleaning wipes. So I'm gonna use this and just try to get all the doors, all like the plastic stuff. Not much of the leather, but just like mostly just like the plastic, so it can look some decent kind of shine. From the front, it can look pretty good as well. So just like one cloth. I'm probably gonna need more than one cloth, but just trying to get everything in there. I didn't record much of the process because for real, you guys don't want to see me scrubbing and you guys don't want to see me scrubbing. Just gotta do all this. I really don't know much about BMWs, like I said. So if you guys know anything about anything, just comment down below. Oh man, but we're just detailing it. Alright, my dude, I'm gonna put the camera down. And then once I'm done, I'll show you guys the look of it. Hopefully, it looks better how it is right now. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, my dudes, I cleaned the back as much as possible. It does look more decent, more shiny. It does in a way. You can't really pick up much in camera for all this dust. The door handle, I try to do my best to what I have. I hate that noise, it's so annoying. But yeah, it does look semi better. Those are all the rags I used. I was using this and it does look decent. I mean, it does look way better than it was before. So no matter what I did, it looks good. Over here as well, like all these rags I used just to get this bad boy up. That's what I was just doing, just everywhere. So there's another little thing that gets me kind of not pissed off, but like a little tick off, I can say. Yeah, all you just need is one, not like a whole army of these just hanging around everywhere. That's the thing that gets me kind of like tick off. I bet it doesn't even smell anymore, but they're still here. Well, let's cut them. Pretty satisfied, did a good job, even though I'm not professional, but a clean's a clean, better than nothing at all, how it was with everything. So I think it looks good. Oh, this rubber band was getting me pissed off. I don't know if it was getting to you guys too. It was cringing me, but I got that off. Like I said, there's still parts missing, but this is basically it of the car that we trade in for the R6. I gotta put that back. That's the ashtray that goes back here in the back seat. It's all I use. Carpet's clean. This is basically it. It's a nice detailing car. Just telling you guys what I found the car. So there's a lot of parts missing now that I have it clean, and I can know what's really missing. But the next step I believe that I need to do is fixing that fan, and I think the light, so I can drive at night. I think those are most important for right now. I mean, this e-brake right here, it doesn't stay up. So if you guys are wondering like, dude, it's standard, supposed to have the e-brake up. Yeah, it doesn't want to stand up, so it doesn't stay in place. That's why I'm using it in gear. But don't worry, my dudes, I know the standard boys out there, because I used to drive standard. They're like, oh man, that's bad for the transmission, putting too much weight on it and blah blah blah. But don't worry, dudes, I have that wood, and I'm thinking I'm gonna keep that rock so I can use that rock, so I'm somewhere else I can use it. So I'm gonna keep that in the car as well. I wanna do a build, but since money's tight, I don't know if I can get that far with the build, but I'll see what I can do and how far I can go. But this is it, my boys. It does look good. I mean, it does look clean. Just those headlights are the ones that gain to me because I can't see nothing at night. But after that, it's pretty good working car. So if you guys like what I do, subscribe down below at Louis Vlogs. Follow me on Instagram at Louis Vlog. My favorite page at Louis Vlogs. And I'll see you guys next one. So peace out.